Jesus, could you show me your fire and your smoke? Or maybe like Moses, you could give a magic cloak. Just something to know you're there. What am I supposed to do when days turn into weeks and seasons of waiting, and I don't hear you speak like we did when we were becoming friends? Is it you? Or is it me? Did you get hurt when I doubted you last week? Maybe I'm numb, but I still believe that you forgive, even though wondering, 'cause we got roots like a willow tree. The hard times that you stuck with me, so remember me. It's funny, when I was empty, there was no cost at all. But now that you bless me, I'm not as quick to hear your call. I guess you always knew this. That's why you're slow to give. And trusting you, remember from your days of walking earth what it feels to have a spirit and a flesh that makes you work. Can you still make a Peter out of someone like